Alrighty guys, what is happening? Well, I am headed out to another adventure. We're gonna try things a little more simpler, try to keep it real traditional. I've been playing Red Dead Redemption 2 way too much. I need to get out and actually do some real fishing. Let's do it.
Everything about you.
Well, I am out and about doing some fishing. Well, let's take a look. Yeah, I used to fish this area last year. But by the looks of it, it looks like it got just cleared out. Because this is like a drainage ditch. And they just like flattened it all out. Very weird. So, if anything, all the fish are gonna be tucked up behind this way. All right, I saw fish right here. I think it's guarding a bed. I think. Because it came back, it's kind of sticking in the same area. All right, I took off the weight. I'm leaving that little peg because I might want to use it later. And it's the only little peg that I brought. So I got a baby brush hog. Ooh, there he is. Boom, 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 doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, there's a bite. Yes! That one got this hook set. Yes! Nice little guy. Whew, finally. Right on the side of the mouth. There we go. Nice little guy. All right, let's see if we can get him back. A decent little spot. See that one that's cruising around, going that way, is twice the size of that one. Ooh, got another one. Got another one. I think this one was on a bed. Jeez, this guy's strong. This one was definitely on a bed. Oh yeah, much bigger. This might have been that big one I saw. Sweet. There we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this was maybe a bedfish. I don't know, can't tell. Pretty flawless. Oh, I just saw something beautiful. A fucking snake fell. A small little snake fell and a fish hit it on top water. Whew, that's beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful. A snake or a lizard? I just saw the little head sticking out, but it looked like a snake or a lizard fell from the tree, started to swim towards the shore, and it got annihilated by a bass. Oh man, that is what I'm looking for. That is what summer is all about. See, I don't want to go over there and spook him. I'm trying to throw it in that same spot where the snake fell or lizard fell. That was beautiful. Oh, I got one right here. That might have been him. That might have been him, buddy. All right, definitely the best fish of the day. Definitely. Man, they are annihilating these freaking... Ooh, don't want to drop my pole. Look at this guy. Definitely the best fish of the day. Man, he looks like he had some trouble. All right, that's number 3. All right, well, I've thrown it over this bed. I've been here probably about a good 15 minutes. He's had it maybe like 3 or 4 times in his mouth. I think he has it now. Come on, wind, die down. Yeah, I can't see it when the wind picks up. I can't even see the bass at this point. I know he's there. Man, it's freaking 81 degrees today. About 4 days ago, it was 30 degrees, 29 degrees. Today it's 80 degrees. It's so crazy. Freaking Texas. All right, let's try again. All right, I'm gonna give myself 3 more casts. If he doesn't pick it up, I'm just gonna leave him alone. He was about to eat it and then he just got scared off. And he's just, oh, there's 2 fish now. Okay, there's 2 on there now. Okay, one's got it, one's got it. How can I have taken it out of his mouth? I gave him like 4 or 5 seconds. I don't believe that. Chill out, wind. Chill out, wind. All right, it's cast number 2. Oh, and it's a terrible one. Way too left. God. All right, I'm gonna let it simmer though. All right. Got 1 more cast. I was having the most success when I would go right down the center of it. And that's not right down the center. Yes. Yes. All right, this is a good fish. Yes, he finally went for it. Nice. Nice one. Good bed fish. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Whew. Oh, he wasn't coming off. Getting you off, buddy. There we go. All right, bed fish. It's not very big, but it's a beaut. All right, man.